Hey guys, meet my cat. His name is Jackie. His name is Jax. No, his name. What was his name? Bunsen. That's his name. Bunsen. Bunsen the cat. There he is. That's Bunsen. He's a boy, and he likes it when I touch him, like a lot of cats do. But he's kind of shy. All right, and there's Joey. Joey. He's really scared because of an incident because we cut down a tree to save my cat Tiger. Here, let me show you. All right, all of this just to save my dear cat Tiger. Oh, it was not the first one we cut down. It's not the first one my dad cut down.
Good boy.
All right, that's not Tiger. That's Tiger Jr. over there. This is my dog. Her name is Queen.
Hey, Brian.
She was the first pet here.
Brian, ahora la semana que viene cuando mejore.
Dile hola a la cámara.
El parque ese, vamos a ir.
Dile hola a la cámara.
Y a ver si lleva
Say hi.
Janine, por eso
Say
lleva
hi.
a los niños. A llevarlo a él. Pero yo tengo que parar porque
Yay! Okay, here we have Donkey Dong right here. I have Switch. And some Nerf guns. Hold on, let me. Some Nerf guns. Yes, you're seeing this right. I have a Gatling, sniper, mega gun, and a pistol. And your mom. Oh! Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. So, hope you like and subscribe to my video.